Okay, Joe here. We're gonna talk to you guys about how to replace a ignition switch on a steering wheel column of a 79 or newer motorhome. And let's get this, show you what we're talking about here. So we're gonna replace it on this style motorhome. A little bit of a project, but we're going to show you how to do this. I got my good friend Ken Bradley here, trusty ASE certified mechanic. This is Ken. Here's part of the steering column right there. I'll come inside. We're going to show you how to do this. We already took it apart once and figured all the little knickknacks out and details, so it should be easier this time. Let's go inside here. Okay, once again, there's Ken. And here's our steering wheel First, Ken, what were those size bolts on that little underneath here holding the steering wheel column on itself?
8mm.
So there's two 8mm bolts that go underneath here. And that pops off this little plate for your steering wheel column there.
Horn cover.
Or horn cover, we should say. And then there was, what was that, like a 3/4 inch bolt? Or
13/16.
13/16 bolt over here, holding on the rest of it. So you undo this guy and get this little 13/16 bolt off. And Ken could probably show you from here.
Already been pulled.
Pops right off.
And there's 3 screws here. One that goes here for the blinker. Then that comes out. Then we have a snap ring right here.
Yeah, there's a snap ring right next to the bearing. It was kind of camouflaged. So the little snap ring right there comes right out.
Then that comes out.
Pops right out. Look at that. A lot easier after you figure this whole thing out, let me tell you.
Then you depress this button and the steering column or tumbler.
Tumbler there for the ignition switch system.
Well, pop right out.
Pops right out. Wow, look at that. So you guys see that wasn't too bad there for this little job to do. It takes a little bit of time to figure it out if you don't got any handy tips or details like this, but this helps out a great deal. And Ken Bradley here again, Reno, Nevada. Ken, how you doing? Give him another little shout out there. Without him, this would have made it a little bit more difficult for sure. But here we go, and that was a little tutorial, a little lesson on details how to get that out of a 79 and newer tumbler ignition switch column replacement there for you. Follow us, and have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you.